Want to boost your English vocabulary? Today, we're learning 50 plus common household appliances. Let's dive in. Refrigerator. Refrigerator. Freezer. Freezer. Oven. Oven. Microwave. Microwave. Toaster. Toaster. Blender. Blender. Mixer. Mixer. Coffee maker. Coffee maker. Electric kettle. Electric kettle. Dishwasher. Dishwasher. Rice cooker. Rice cooker. Slow cooker. Slow cooker. Pressure cooker. Pressure cooker. Toaster oven. Toaster oven. Food processor. Food processor. Washing machine. Washing machine. Clothes dryer. Clothes dryer. Iron. Iron. Steam iron. Steam iron. Ironing board. Ironing board. Vacuum cleaner. Vacuum cleaner. Steam cleaner. Steam cleaner. Robot vacuum. Robot vacuum. Broom. Broom. Mop. Mop. Hair dryer. Hair dryer. Electric shaver. Electric shaver. Electric toothbrush. Electric toothbrush. Hair straightener. Hair straightener. Hair curler. Hair curler. Air conditioner. Air conditioner. Fan. Fan. Space heater. Space heater. Humidifier. Humidifier. Dehumidifier. Dehumidifier. Air purifier. Air purifier. Television. Television. Home theater system. Home theater system. Soundbar. Soundbar. Video game console. Video game console. DVD player. DVD player. Projector. Projector. Computer. Computer. Laptop. Laptop. Printer. Printer. Scanner. Scanner. Telephone. Telephone. Router. Router. Fax machine. Fax machine. Water heater. Water heater. Sewing machine. Sewing machine. Smoke detector. Smoke detector. Alarm clock. Alarm clock. Garage door opener. Garage door opener. Lawn mower. Lawn mower. Grill. Grill. Barbecue. Barbecue. Thanks for watching. Now you've got over 50 appliances added to your English vocabulary toolbox. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe for more language tips, and ring that notification bell so you never miss out on new videos. Share this with someone who's learning English, and let us know in the comments which appliance was new for you.